Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty. Black Ops 6 error code 0x86484E01. As per our research, this is a dev error code that shows up with a black screen. Players shared that they received this error while playing on PS4, mainly when trying to load a zombies game. Some users even shared that the error pops up randomly, sometimes at the home screen, in the middle of the game, or even at the end. According to our research, this error is likely related to in-game settings or network issues. Sometimes it may also be caused by a corrupted database or system-related configurations. The first thing you should try is to reboot your router along with your device. Simply power off your console and router. Then wait for a few minutes, then turn them back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check for any available game updates. If there is an update available, install it and see if the error is resolved. If the error still persists, then try lowering your graphics settings. Change the graphics from optimized to minimum. Also, lower the field of view to 86 instead of 90. After adjusting these settings, check if the error still appears. If the error continues and you are playing on Xbox, then clear your alternate MAC address. To do this, go to Settings, then select Network and choose Advanced Settings. After that, select Alternate MAC address and clear it. Then restart your console and check for the error. If the error continues, try connecting over a different network. It could be a mobile hotspot or any alternate Wi-Fi. Then try to launch the game again and see if this helps. If none of these steps works, try rebuilding the database. To do this, turn off your console completely. Then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps to boot into safe mode. Then connect your controller using a USB cable and select Rebuild Database. Once done, restart your console and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.